The gentle rustling of leaves, the sound of water flowing in a nearby stream, and the feeling of sunlight filtering through a canopy of trees. For many, these are not just pleasant experiences, but powerful tools for mental health. A recent meta-analysis of existing research reveals that exposure to nature significantly benefits those with diagnosed mental illness. Imagine stepping into a park for just 10 minutes and feeling a shift in your mood. A study highlights that even a brief period in nature can yield short-term benefits for adults with mental illness. This is not a new idea but a conclusion drawn from reviewing 30 years of research, showing positive effects from various nature exposures, including urban parks and wilderness. Picture a group of people engaged in activities like camping and gardening. These are not merely hobbies, the study shows they have notable benefits for mental health. The need to preserve green spaces becomes evident when we see their importance for our well-being. The journal Ecopsychology published a new study that underscores nature's vital role in mental health. Spending as little as 10 minutes in nature can reduce stress, improve thinking, and boost one's mood. The meta-analysis examined 30 years of research on the health effects of nature exposure, including urban environments. Consider the amount of time spent in nature varying from study to study. Some participants spent just 10 minutes in a city park, while others immersed themselves in wilderness experiences for days. Different durations and patterns of nature exposure all produced positive results, whether it was a short visit to a park or a longer wilderness stay. Reflect on water-based outdoor spaces like rivers, lakes, and oceans. The analysis indicated that these, along with activities like camping, farming, and gardening, had the greatest positive effects on mental health. Urban nature, mountains, and forests also offered significant benefits. Joanna Bettman, a professor at the University of Utah College of Social Work and lead author of the study, emphasized the importance of preserving green spaces. All of these different types of outdoor spaces delivered positive results, she said, underscoring their importance in both natural and built environments. Scott Couch and Dorothy Schmaltz, co-authors of the study and faculty at the University of Utah, emphasized the need to bridge the gap between nature and health. Funding from Nature and Human Health Utah helped support their research, aiming to explore ways to integrate nature into health interventions. Imagine Utah, surrounded by extraordinary natural resources, becoming a leader in integrating the natural environment into mental health practices. Here we are surrounded by all these extraordinary natural resources, said Schmaltz, highlighting the potential to make Utah a place known for leveraging the outdoors to improve mental, physical, and emotional health. Thanks for watching. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell for further notification.